Ayan o, may original gala body. Ito kasama ko sa Europe, guys.
Payat pa ako.
Payat pa daw siya noon. No, diba? Ang dami naming experiences nito. Nalibot na din namin yung...
Since 2010.
Yeah. Nalibot na namin yung Philippines. Luzon to Visayas to Mindanao. O, diba? Ang dami naming memories
Saudi,
nito, guys.
Europe.
O, diba? Malapit na tayo mag 20 years. Kailangan may tour tayo that saan tayo na? Saan na kaya noon? This is
St. Paris.
Oh, diba? So, abangan, guys. Hello, guys! This is Bishang Aiden once again. And guys, nandito tayo sa Manar, Abu Dhabi. So, guys, ito po yung dyan kami sasakay going to Lulu Island. So, this is preview of Abu Dhabi. So, ito yun, guys. You can see. Ayan. Samahan niyo ako, guys, kung ano yung ma-experience natin sa Lulu Island. Ayan, nagbayad po kami ng 25 dirhams. Boat boarding. Ayan. To have a Manar experience. So, dito kami. Ayan. So, sasakay kami dyan papunta sa Lulu Island. And samahan nyo si Bishang Aiden kung ano yung ating ma-experience doon. So, yung boat na yan is sa isang batch yata mga 70 person. So, ngayon, at 5:15 guys, kami ay sabay-sabay na sasakay on that boat. And sabay-sabay din namin i-experience yung Lulu Island. Diba guys, samahan nyo talaga si Bishang Aiden. Actually, itong Lulu Island, dapat hanggang January 1, pero extended po siya. So, abangan what we can enjoy in Lulu Island. To Abu Dhabi! Welcome to Abu Dhabi! Place na to. Ako sa ano na yan, flagpole na yan guys. Mga dati, mga tagalas 4, ayun, nagbabike na si Bishang Aiden. Maganda din. As you can see guys, it's so organized. There's a lane 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So organized. Second step guys. So, lane talaga. With me, of course, Mudicine is here for today's video. Ayan, nandito kami sa pupunta kami ng Lulu Island.
May fila.
Yeah, may fila. Some time to go. So, ganyan guys yung yan ang sasakyan namin. Boat experience lang guys. The Gala Eras. So, abangan guys what we can see in Lulu Island. So, this is really guys. The Abu Dhabi. Umikot na. And dami pa din guys nakapila doon. 3 batches po. 5:15, 5:30, 5:45. And sabay-sabay nating i-experience kung anong meron sa Lulu Island. Diba guys? Samahan mo sa Bishang Aiden. So guys, from, ayan, Corniche side yun siya guys. As you remember, yung binabike ko. So, ito opposite side niya, yung flagpole. So, this is Abu Dhabi guys. Diba? Napaka, peaceful. So guys, after makita natin yung scenery dito sa Abu Dhabi, using the boat, so titingnan natin kung ano yung next. So, be with me. So guys, nag-boat tayo papunta dito. So, together with friends. Ayan o. Together with a friend. Ayan kami. Together with a friend. Hello, mega love shout out. So guys, after boat experience, my bus. So, ewan ko kung saan kami dadalhin itong bus na to. Di ba ang cute ng bus? May pangalan na Manar Abu Dhabi. Ayan guys, so, Manar Abu Dhabi. So this, mega love shout out. Oh, merong space. First page to. First page talaga tayo. So guys, like ganito yung itsura ng bus na sinakyan namin. And dito kami sa top floor ng bus na ito. Ayan, yung mga magaganda ng Abu Dhabi. Hello,
Sabi si Kuya sa likod.
Yeah. So, abangan kung ano talaga yung makikita natin sa Lulu Island na yan. At
Nasa Lulu Island.
saan makakarating yung 25 dirhams mo.
Wow.
Yeah.
25 lang.
Not sponsored.
So, this is Lulu Island, guys. O, diba? Makikita niyo tong parang niyog. It is dates, guys. O, diba?
Brought to us by the Department of Culture and Tourism of Abu Dhabi for the very first time. Manar is collaborating with 22 international and local artists across 8 locations. Those locations are Lulu, Eastern Maghreb. Lulu Island is a home to amazingly brilliant artists, Jumeirah, a young Emirati artist who loves to explore the psychology of light and sound, and using that he's created an installation for us. The second artist is the one and only two-time BAFTA Award winner, Rafael Zanarwana, and he's created 10 immersive interactive audiovisual installations for us. So welcome to the very first one. We do the journey across the island, you'll get to see it get brighter as the sun sets. 300 robotic searchlights. The inspiration for the collider was that the artist wanted to show us how we as humans are invisibly connected to the outer space. For these, we have 9 artists using their contemporary space. It's not visible.
May tour guide dito, guys.
But as you come back
Kakaibang
into
experience. Guys, welcome to Welcome Translation Island. Ano yung ita-translate dito? So guys, be with Bushang 18. See ya! So guys, nag-start na kami. 6:04 in the afternoon sa aming paglalakad-lakad for our 2 kilometers journey. Ah, diba? Ayan. So, we'll check kung ano pa yung may experience natin dito, guys. Check it out. Follow the light path. This is it. Rafael Hotel Lozano Hammer Translation Island. Total trail distance 2.2. Approximately walking time is 30 minutes. Kasi nga guys, medyo maaga yung dating namin dito. So, nandito kami sa first station. So, may mga kainan din dito guys. Ayun guys, so. Ayun, sa aking back. So, hindi ka magugutuman dito guys. At nakita nyo kanina, di ba, may tour guide din kasama sa bus. O di ba, ang galing ng ng tour na to kasi it's only 25 dirhams. And nakita na natin yung yung Abu Dhabi, o di ba? May comfort room din diyan, toilets. So from the city to an island. So sumakay kami ng boat. Sumakay din kami ng car, o diba? At ngayon, nandito kami. So, samahan niyo sa Bushami. What will be our yung may experience natin dito? MLT represents Malta.
Medical laboratory. MLT, MLS. Ganon.
Sa ino naman kung makikita.
In the path, guys. Andito kami. Nasa pangalawang entrance. So, ayan. Ang pangalawang entrance ng Lolo Island. So, samahan niyo ko. May experience natin. Na-excite na si Bushang Aiden, guys. So guys, tapos na kami sa station 2.
Station.
May tanong, ilang station ba ito? So, samahan nyo kami. Ayan o, may original gala body. Ito kasama ko sa Europe, guys.
Payat pa.
Payat pa daw siya noon. Diba? Ang dami naming experiences nito. Nalibot na din namin yung...
Sisot ako siya ng tent.
Yeah. Nalibot na namin yung Philippines, Luzon to Visayas to Mindanao. O, diba? Ang dami naming memories.
Saudi, UAE, Europe.
Diba? Malapit na tayo mag 20 years. Kailangan may tour tayo saan tayo na? Saan na kaya no? Was this? Oh, diba? So, abangan, guys. So, Miss Olive, easy. Getting pictures. So, this is the path na sinusundan namin, guys. So, as you can see, different lights.